Come test drive the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.